Good morning, students. Let us see how we find some trigonometric values. First one, sine 15 degrees. Now sine 15 degrees can be written as sine of 45 minus 30 degrees as a compound angle. Sine 15 is equal to sine 45 minus 30 as compound angle. Now you know the formula of sine A minus B. Sine A minus B is sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is the formula of sin A minus B. So this can be written as sin A, that is 45 into cos 30 minus cos 45, that is cos A into sin 30. Now sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So you can take LCM 2 root 2. Numerator is root 3 minus 1. So sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now sin 15 degrees can be written as cos 75 degrees, because cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, or sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 15 can be written as cos 75, because sin 15 is equal to sin 90 minus 75, which is equal to cos 75. So cos 75 or sin 15 both are equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now next one. Let us see cos 15 degrees. Now cos 15 degrees can be written as cos 15 degrees is equal to cos of 45 minus 30 degrees. Cos 45 minus 30 degrees. We know the formula of cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So you have to write cos 45 into cos 30 plus sin 45 into sin 30. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So it will be root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So cos 15 degrees can be root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now cos 15 degrees can be written as sin 75 degrees. The sum of these two angles is 90, so that cos changes to sin or sin changes to cos. So cos 15 or sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is the result. Now next one is tan 15 degrees. Now for tan 15, so tan 15 degrees can be written as tan 45 minus 30 degrees. Now this is of the form tan A minus B. You have to read all the formulas. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So that is tan A minus B. So tan 45 minus 30. Let us apply that formula. So that will be tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30, or you can use sin 15 by cos 15. So tan 45 is 1 minus now tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Or you can write in this form also. Tan 15 degrees is equal to sine 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees. You can write in that way also. You know the sine 15 value. Sine 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 by cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So by cancellation you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. In that way also you can write tan 15. Now you have to rationalize the denominator. Now root 3 minus 1 into, let us multiply with root 3 plus 1. Sorry, rationalize the denominator. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. In the numerator it is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So it can be written as root 3 minus 1 whole square by, now this is a plus b into a minus b, you will get a square minus b square. Now let us simplify that. So you know the formula for tan, a minus b whole square, that is root 3 whole square plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So tan 15 degrees will be 2 minus root 3. That is the result. Tan 15 degrees. Once you can cancellate 2 in the numerator. So tan 15 degrees will be 2 minus root 3. Now tan 15 degrees can be written as tan 90 minus 75 degrees. Now we know that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 15 degrees. So tan 15 degrees can be written as cot 75 degrees, which is equal to 2 minus root 3. Very important formulas. We use these values in solving problems in EAMCET or JEE also. So tan 15, cot 75, both are equals to 2 minus root 3. Now next one is tan 75 degrees. Now tan 75 degrees can be written as sine 75 by cos 75 degrees. You know the value of sine 75, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and cos 75 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So when you write those values, it will be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. 2 root 2 will be cancelled. Now rationalize the denominator. So you will get root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 whole square by, it is a plus b into a minus b. So root 3 whole square minus 1. Now it is 3 plus, that is root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1. In the numerator it is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now tan 75 is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 is again 2. So 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2, it will be 2 plus root 3. So tan 75 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3. Now you know that tan 75 can be written as cot 15 degrees. So tan 75 or cot 15 degrees, both are equals to 2 plus root 3. Very important formula. Now let us draw a table for these all values, all trigonometric function values. Now let us draw a table like this. Now sine 15 degrees. You have sine 15 degrees as root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. and sine 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 75 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And tan 15 degrees is 2 minus root 3. Cot 75 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 2 plus root 3. Cot 75 2 plus root 3. That is the table. And we can write the values of secant and cosecant also, and those are useful in objective type questions. In those classes we will